Hi guys, this is Hector. Hello again. Today is the 25th of September 2007, and I'm going to record today's video with whatever has been happening today on the market. Okay, it's already in the evening. The London session closed down for the day many hours ago. I didn't upload any video today because I took no trades. I was following, as I was telling the guys on my mailing list, that this morning I was following three setups. One of them was the euro against the American dollar on the 4 hours time frame, because of this beautiful simple moving average formation. Okay, this uptrend. However, I was waiting for a retracement back to the dynamic area of support around the 140.00 area. However, the euro is just so strong right now that the retraces don't even reach the dynamic area of support. Like I say, this trend is definitely showing so much momentum. Actually, if we measure this whole move up, okay, it's only retraced back to the 23% Fibonacci retracement. I don't like such a high bounces. Okay, I don't like when the bounces don't even retrace back to the 38% Fibonacci. Okay, meaning the 38% Fibonacci usually comes along with the 30 simple moving average. All right. I don't like when you know price doesn't even retrace to the like I say, down to the 38 Fibonacci, down to the 30 simple moving average. It's just showing way too much momentum. Okay, this is not a conservative trend anymore. It's just showing like I say, too much momentum for me to try it. Okay, as I was saying, I wanted a deeper of a retracement, all right, back to cheaper levels to basically to load the truck once again. Secondly, I was following the GBP against the New Zealand dollar of the 4 hours time frame. Because of this other beautiful downtrend, sorry, and also we have this clear downtrend line there. Okay, I was telling the guys in my mailing list that I was spotting this triangular formation. However, it's broken to the upside. Okay, I was basically hoping for a breakout to the downside, but it's broken to the upside. It's broken beyond the trend line, and I decided that it was just not the perfect scenario, or at least it was just not the type of trade plan that I had in mind. So for the time being, I'm going to let this thing go. Perhaps if tomorrow I see a breakout of this level, okay, this level that's almost forming a double bottom, I might consider entering on this downtrend for a whole new swing to the downside, or hoping for a new swing to the downside, of course. And finally, the third setup that I told the guys in my mailing list, it was the USD against the Swiss franc of the 4 hours time frame. I was also spotting a triangular formation. All right, as you can see, it's marked in red on my screen, along with these beautiful moving averages, etc., etc. Moreover, double bottom seen last week, broken in momentum. Okay, a little bit of meandering. Let me clean up the chart a little bit. A little bit of congestion. Okay, forming this actual triangle, and then I was looking to try the breakout of that triangle. So as price broke below the 117.00 area, right there, my alarm my alarm signal warned me. Okay, I zoomed into the shorter time frame, meaning the hourly time frame in this case, and well, this is what happened. I got no retracement whatsoever. This thing basically broke through. Okay, no retracement whatsoever. I even zoomed into the 30 minutes chart. Perhaps, I don't know, perhaps I would see a clear breakout, pullback, continuation, as I usually tried. Nonetheless, once again, we see no no green bar whatsoever up on the breakout. We've got to zoom into the 15-minute chart to see a very shy pullback, okay, right there. You see this breakout, this 1 bar pullback, okay, you see that green bar down there, all right, and then we have, well, the continuation of the move which gave out around 50 pips, a little bit more than 50 pips, but nonetheless, that's the 15-minute chart. In my opinion, it's zooming into the 15-minute chart in order to spot a setup or an opportunity, a trading opportunity spotted on the 4 hours time frame is just zooming in way too much, okay. As I always say, I like zooming in about 4 times the time frame I find the setup, okay. If let's say like in this case, I find my trading setup, I find my trend, I find my triangular formation, etc., etc., of the 4 hours time frame, then I usually like to zoom in 4 times that much, meaning the hourly time frame, all right, and I like to see the breakup pullback continuation in that time frame. In this case, it didn't happen. Even if I zoomed 8 times in time, meaning the 30-minute chart, very, very shy. We have some kind of a doji bar there, but nonetheless not a clear breakup pullback continuation. And like I say, this is a 30-minute chart, considering it's a 4 hours time frame setup. The breakup pullback continuation, at least for my taste, okay, it should have been very clear here, very clear pullback, breakup pullback continuation pattern. Nonetheless, we didn't get that, and well, as you can see in the 4 hours time frame, well, it's basically gone now. It's like I say, it's moved about 60 pips already, so the opportunity is well gone. It's a shame. I guessed right the market direction, but I just couldn't find an entry. Sometimes this thing happens, right? You see the setup, it's very clear, and you're waiting. You're just waiting for the signal. However, that signal never comes, okay, and the train basically chugs along without you, okay. You are standing still on the platform, looking silly, waving goodbye at the train that is taking off without you, and well, basically this trade giving out some very nice pips, and well, I personally couldn't profit from it. Like I said, I couldn't find a reasonable entry. Alright guys, that's all. Those were the 3 setups that I was following today. One of them came as expected. I couldn't find an entry. Then the other 2 didn't follow my trade plan, so I took no entry, meaning the GBP against the New Zealand dollar and the Euro against the American dollar, with that bounce way too high, around of the 23% Fibonacci retracement. All right, okay guys. I will be seeing you tomorrow on the website with more setups, okay, and more trades. Hopefully more trades. It's been a few days. I haven't taken any trades actually. What can I say? Sometimes you find trades. Sometimes you've got to sit your butt in the at the bench, okay, outside of the market, and well, there is not much you can do about it. Just keep on waiting, keep being patient, and well, until the opportunity comes. All right. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Bye bye.